Ontario, land of plenty, land of corn. Corn, delicious, succulent, and a vital source of vitamin yum. Buying locally supports your community. Buying from out of province does not. Did you know that in just 11 summer days, Ontario's corn crops produce enough oxygen for the annual respiratory needs of the province's entire population? Thanks, corn. Corn. Grow it, pick it, shuck it, wash it, boil it, butter it, eat it. Congratulate yourself. You've supported a local farmer and the economy. Foodland, Ontario. Good things grow in Ontario.